Aries, 3rd December 2024. Love life. Patience may be required in your love life today. Minor misunderstandings or differences of opinion might arise. Approach any tension with calmness and a willingness to listen. Singles should take the time to reflect on their emotional needs before diving into new connections. Career, focus on detail-oriented tasks today. While your usual preference is to push forward boldly, slowing down and addressing smaller issues can prevent future challenges. Your ability to balance initiative with thoroughness will impress those around you. Well-being, emotionally, you may feel slightly restless. Consider practices like yoga or meditation to find balance and calm. A creative hobby could also help redirect any excess energy. Advice: remember that progress isn't always about speed, sometimes it's about taking thoughtful, deliberate steps. Lucky color, crimson. Lucky number, 6. Taurus, 3rd December 2024. Love life. Today calls for patience and understanding in your relationships. Minor irritations could arise, but they are best addressed calmly. Singles may feel introspective, reflecting on past experiences to gain clarity about what they truly want in a partner. Career, your methodical approach will shine in problem-solving tasks. You may uncover a creative yet practical solution to a long-standing issue. Collaborating with a trusted colleague can also yield fruitful results. Well-being, your energy might feel lower than usual today. Prioritize rest and nourishing meals to restore balance. Spending time in nature can provide a much-needed boost to your mood. Advice: embrace your natural steadiness and avoid rushing decisions. Good things come to those who wait. Lucky color, forest green. Lucky number, 4. Gemini, 3rd December 2024. Love life, communication is key today. Couples may need to clarify misunderstandings, but honest dialogue will strengthen your bond. Singles could meet someone intriguing through social media or group activities. Career, your natural charm works wonders in professional settings. Use it to pitch ideas, secure support, or negotiate terms. You may also receive unexpected news related to a project, so stay alert. Well-being, balance your mental stimulation with physical relaxation. Avoid excessive screen time in the evening to ensure restful sleep. A warm bath or a good book can help you unwind. Advice: stay open to new perspectives and practice active listening. It will lead to greater understanding in both personal and professional relationships. Lucky color, lemon yellow. Lucky number, 8. Cancer, 3rd December 2024. Love life, romance takes a cozy turn today. For couples, spending quality time at home can reignite sparks. Singles may find themselves reminiscing about past loves. Use this reflection to understand what you truly desire. Career, it's a great day to focus on tasks requiring creativity and detail. Your dedication will not go unnoticed, potentially earning you recognition. Avoid office gossip to maintain a positive atmosphere. Well-being, prioritize your emotional and physical needs. A nutritious meal and hydration can help you stay energized. Gentle stretches or yoga will keep your body and mind aligned. Advice: set clear boundaries to protect your emotional energy and focus on nurturing what truly matters. Lucky color, pearl white. Lucky number, 2. Leo, 3rd December 2024. Love life, passion is in the air, Leo. Rekindle romance with your partner through thoughtful gestures or an impromptu date night. Singles might meet someone who shares their boldness and zest for life. Career, your vision for the future is crystal clear today. Use this clarity to plan long-term goals and make strategic moves. Keep an eye out for networking opportunities. They could lead to exciting prospects. Well-being, your vibrant energy inspires those around you, but don't let minor irritations drain you. Meditation or breathing exercises can help maintain emotional equilibrium. Advice: channel your energy into meaningful pursuits and avoid distractions that don't align with your goals. Lucky color, orange. Lucky number, 1. Virgo, 3rd December 2024. Love life, romance may take a sweet turn as your partner appreciates your thoughtfulness. If single, you could meet someone who admires your grounded nature. Don't be afraid to take a step forward in love. Career, collaboration is key. Sharing your insights in team discussions will not only help others but also position you as a reliable problem solver. Your efficiency will be recognized. Well-being, physical health requires attention. Stretching exercises or yoga can ease tension and boost flexibility. Listen to your body and prioritize rest if you feel fatigued. Advice: a calm and composed attitude will help you manage competing demands effortlessly. Lucky color, beige. Lucky number, 7. Libra, 3rd December 2024. Love life, romance flourishes as you make time for intimate moments with your partner. For singles, a casual outing may unexpectedly turn into a meaningful connection. Keep an open mind and embrace spontaneity. Career, creative ideas flow effortlessly today. Use this energy to pitch innovative solutions or refine existing projects. Your charm helps you win over skeptical colleagues or superiors. Well-being, pay attention to your emotional health. Journaling or engaging in a creative hobby can help you process feelings and stay grounded. Advice: trust in the power of collaboration. Teamwork brings the best results. Lucky color, lavender. Lucky number, 9. Scorpio, 3rd December 2024. Love life, you are magnetic today, making it easy to captivate others. In relationships, your partner will be especially drawn to your mysterious allure. Singles might find themselves attracting attention in unexpected ways. Stay open to new possibilities. Career, your ambition drives you forward, but collaboration is key. Seek advice from trusted colleagues to refine your plans. A mentor figure might offer valuable guidance that shifts your perspective. Well-being, listen to your body's needs. If you've been overworking, prioritize rest and rejuvenation. A warm bath or massage can help release built-up tension. Advice: share your feelings with someone you trust. It's okay to seek support when needed. Lucky color, burgundy. Lucky number, 3. Sagittarius, 3rd December 2024. Love life, you may feel a bit restless today, Sagittarius, craving excitement in your romantic life. If you are in a relationship, consider planning something spontaneous or out of the ordinary to reignite the spark. Singles may meet someone who shares your love for adventure. Be sure to stay present and enjoy the moment. Career, a day to take stock of your long-term goals. Your career is on the up. but now is the time to refine your plans and set a clearer path. Don't rush the process. Small, consistent steps will get you to your destination. Be patient with any challenges that arise, they will pass quickly. Well-being, you might feel mentally scattered, so focus on grounding yourself today. Meditation or yoga can help you center your energy and relieve any tension. Spend time in nature if possible, it will help you reconnect and find balance. Advice: take a deep breath and pause before making any decisions today. Sometimes, slowing down can help you avoid unnecessary mistakes. Lucky color, maroon. Lucky number, 5. Capricorn, 3rd December 2024. Love life, your desire for stability in relationships may be stronger today. If you are in a relationship, it's a good day for meaningful conversations about the future. Be mindful, however, of being too focused on the practical aspects. Make sure to nurture the emotional side as well. For singles, take your time, there's no rush to settle down. Focus on building a solid foundation first. Career, Capricorn, your work ethic is shining today, and you may find yourself in a position of authority or leadership. This is an excellent time to take charge of a project and set the pace for success. Your attention to detail will impress higher-ups, and your determination will drive you toward your goals. Well-being, you may feel more stressed than usual today. It's important to prioritize your mental health. Consider activities that help you unwind, such as meditation or spending time with loved ones. Focus on keeping a steady balance between work and personal time. Advice: trust your ability to create structure, but don't be afraid to relax when necessary. Overworking yourself could lead to burnout, so make time to recharge. Lucky color, midnight blue. Lucky number, 10. Aquarius, 3rd December 2024. Love life, your love life may feel more positive today as you experience a deeper connection with your partner or potential love interest. If you are in a relationship, consider planning a fun activity together to reignite that sense of excitement. For singles, your quirky personality could attract someone who shares your unique perspective on life. Be open to new experiences. Career, you will find yourself in a problem-solving mode today. Whether it's a project or a complex situation at work, your ability to approach challenges from different angles will help you find solutions. Your team may look to you for guidance, and your ability to think critically will stand out. Keep focusing on the bigger picture while managing small details. Well-being, physically, you may feel more energetic today. Use this to your advantage by engaging in activities that improve both your body and mind. Consider spending time outdoors or practicing yoga to stay grounded. Advice: trust your intellect and creativity today. You have the power to create change in both your personal and professional life. Don't be afraid to share your innovative ideas with others. Lucky color, turquoise. Lucky number, 11. Pisces, 3rd December 2024. Love life, romance is likely to be warm and nurturing today. If you are in a relationship, expect moments of deep connection, where you and your partner can truly understand each other on an emotional level. For singles, there's a chance you'll meet someone who shares your values and emotional depth. Keep an open heart and let conversations flow naturally. Career, your career may take a positive turn today as new opportunities present themselves. You could receive recognition for your hard work or get a chance to showcase your skills in a new project. Your intuition will guide you toward making wise decisions, especially when faced with options that seem a bit unclear at first. Trust yourself to make the right call. Well-being, you might feel particularly inspired today, Pisces. It's a great day to tap into your creative energy, whether through music, art, or writing. Take some time to express yourself and let your emotions flow in a constructive way. On the physical side, keep an eye on your hydration and rest, as your emotional energy can sometimes drain you physically. Advice: follow your heart, but don't forget your head. Emotional wisdom is a strong asset today, so make sure to use both your intuitive and logical sides to guide you forward. Lucky color: coral pink. Lucky number: 12.